Native jollof rice is known for its vibrant color and irresistible aroma. This one pot is a celebration of spices, tomatoes, and love. Each bite is a symphony of flavors that will transport you straight to a bustling market in Nigeria. Whether you're hosting a party or just craving a comforting meal, native jollof rice is sure to impress. So grab your apron and get ready to learn the secret to making the perfect native jollof rice that will have everyone asking for your recipe. Welcome to my channel. My name is Roslyn and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. Now that you're here, sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on this delicious culinary journey with me. I've packed this video with all the tips and tricks you need to make the perfect native jollof rice. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment. From the vibrant flavors to the cooking techniques, there's so much to discover. So make sure to watch until the end for some exciting surprises. Let's get cooking! The ingredients for today's recipe are cow skin, which is also known as pomo, beef, smoked fish, onion, bleached palm oil, crushed seasoning cubes, parboiled rice, ground crayfish, and pepper mix, which is a blend of tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, cayenne pepper, and bell pepper. Hey there! If you're enjoying this delicious journey into making native jollof rice, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share even more culinary adventures with you. In order to make the native jollof rice, first of all, prep all ingredients, and this includes 1. Parboiling the rice, 2. Cutting the cow skin and beef into bite-sized pieces, 3. Seasoning the cow skin and beef and cooking them until tender, and 4. Preparing the peppers and tomatoes, blending them until they become smooth in order to create a pepper mix. Next, heat up some bleached palm oil over medium heat. Put in the onion and then fry the cow skin and the beef and also the fish. Next, add the pepper mix. Stir well and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the oil floats to the top and the mixture thickens. This step helps deepen the flavor. Next, add the crushed seasoning cubes and the ground crayfish. Stir to ensure everything is well combined. At this point, if the mixture is too thick, you can add a bit more water or broth to achieve your desired consistency. Taste to see if there is any need to adjust the seasoning as desired. Next, add the rinsed parboiled rice directly into the pot and stir well to combine the rice with the sauce, ensuring each grain is coated in the flavorful mix. Next, pour in enough water to cover the rice by about an inch. This is usually about 2 to 3 cups of water, but adjust based on your pot size and the absorbency of the rice. Cook on low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. And after about 25 minutes, check the rice for doneness. If it is cooked through and the water is absorbed, then it's ready. But if not, you can add a little more water and continue cooking for a few more minutes. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it gently with a fork to separate the grains. There are some tips for making the perfect native jollof rice. 1. Use parboiled rice. Using parboiled rice helps the rice to absorb the sauce better and prevents it from becoming mushy. 2. Opt for smoked fish or dried shrimp. Using smoked fish or dried shrimp adds a unique, authentic depth of flavor to the dish. 3. Cook on low heat. Allow the rice to steam gently after the sauce has been added to lock in all the flavors. 4. Use palm oil. Native jollof rice is traditionally made with palm oil, which gives it a rich and earthy flavor. There is a long-standing playful rivalry between West African countries, especially Nigeria and Ghana, over who makes the best jollof rice. Many jollof lovers cherish the crispy, slightly burnt layer of rice at the bottom of the pot, which is also known as bottom pot or party rice for its extra flavor. While classic jollof is often made with vegetable oil, native jollof traditionally uses palm oil, which gives it a distinct earthy taste and color. Native jollof rice is versatile and can be paired with smoked fish, crayfish, or even bushmeat, depending on the region and tradition. And finally, sprinkle chopped scent leaves over the cooked rice. Adding them at this stage allows their fresh aroma and flavor to infuse into the rice without losing their vibrant color and nutritional benefit. And there you have it, the rich, vibrant flavor of authentic native jollof rice. A true taste of tradition in every bite. Try it out and let your kitchen come alive with the bold essence of this classic dish. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, keep cooking with love.